In this class, we run carpentry, we run metalwork, so welding, metal fabrication. We do some forge work, and then we've also gotten into automotive care so far this year. Hi, my name is Chris Yendel, and this is the Women in Trades program.
I love it. I find that I'm more willing to do it. I'm more comfortable when I'm around just like girls, because I find that guys are just really like, I don't know, they think they're just better than everyone else. So when I first applied for my courses, I was really scared about what to pick for an elective. So I chose drama. So I was expecting that I was going to be in drama. But then I found out I was in Women in Trades, and I was like, I don't want to be in this class. I'm terrified of the machines. They're going to kill me. I'm going to cut my finger. I'm going to be fingerless. And I was freaking out about that. But then when I came into this class and I saw like so many smiling faces and everyone was just as scared as me, and I felt it was like really relatable to understand that, you know, it's nice that it's called Women in Trades, because when you have men in your class, it kind of intimidates you when they look at you and you don't know how to use something. That is scary, right? Yeah. But it's nice to have other girls that understand like what you're going through, and they're just as scared of the machines as you are.